Sessions LA. I want to welcome you all. If you don't know what you're here for, we're here to appreciate and showcase the producer, the beat maker, and tonight we're going to watch a competition between a whole bunch of young, up-and-coming producers here from around the Los Angeles area primarily, and we got some great judges. We're also going to have some live performances, so just hang out, man, enjoy some good music. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for one of the head instructors over there at Sessions LA, my homeboy Ali, DJ Recluse.
Hey, how y'all doing? Make some noise. Hey, that's what I like to hear. Well, I just want to say thank you to everyone for coming through tonight. This is a big celebration for Sessions. It's a big celebration for Microwave Mondays. Like Bam said, Microwave Mondays is an online beat battle that occurs every other week. We've been doing it for a year now. Has been mass successful. The microwave beat is something you make real quick, and you're gonna see tonight. We're gonna have for the last round the final two contestants. They're gonna make a microwave beat.
Make some noise. Assuming. Oh, okay, great. So, Ikabod Bum, it's on you, man. You got 1 minute, and here we go. J Flow, it's on you, bro. Make some noise for J Flow one time. Make some noise. Ikabod Bum, ladies and gentlemen. And our winner of this round, make some noise for J Flow one time. Alright. Let's get that right, brother? DJ Erratic. Make some noise for DJ Erratic in the motherfucking house one time. DJ Erratic from Bellflower. jRREN, do you ready?
Y'all go get y'all neck braces out.
Make some noise for jRREN out here in Los Angeles, Califas, and our winner for this round, DJ Erratic. Alright, let's set up for the next two. You want to go first? Colby Evans, you going first, bro. Here we go.
Act like I know what I should be doing all the way, so.
Here we go, you ready? Okay, so Santa Ana, Verbal Essence is on X-Pot. Make some noise for Colby Evans one time. Alright, I need the next two up. Okay, Galli going first. Watts District, what's up?
Alright, before we get this started, let me explain one thing.
Get him. The crowd, Ali beat the filter. We're gonna go with Galli. Keys, man, I thought your beat was really thumping. Keys, good looking. And that's the end of the first round. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for all the producers who came up.
I'm sorry it was me, so right down slow, some bumpin' 97 Weezer. Don't know all the lyrics, but I hit the keywords. All my favorite tunes are from when phones have receivers. Got a lady and I'm on my way to meet her. Got a woman moving like a little group of teamsters. Get your tweezers, do a bag of research. I done up the rest of graphic image to a t-shirt.
You ain't fresh, yeah.
So this is the sample that was chosen, and then we're gonna hear their flips of this.
Come on now, baby, and stop this rain. And I know the things I've done you was wrong. I'm asking you to give me one more chance, just one more chance to prove to you.
Okay, that's the sample. J Flow, you ready? Get him.
See what he does.
Make some noise one time for our winner. I'm the first place winner. Please make some noise for DJ Erratic all the way from Bellflower. There you go, brother. Thank you for being a part of it, man. We really appreciate it. And make some noise for all the contestants, all the judges, all the performers. Please make some noise for all the performers.